There's the entrance to Careywood Hollow. Well, the glamping tent is gone. Made a couple changes over the last year. And let me show you the new A-frame instead of the glamping tent. Hey, there it is. It's got a little deck. It's got a nice roof. Nice and secure. Better than the tent. There's a light switch. Ta-da. I've got a gate code door lock. So if you take off for the day, you'll leave your stuff in here. It'll be nice and secure. And this is like a private park anyway. So no issues with anything. And when you rent it, you got the place all to yourself. Smoke alarm. The windows have screens. We got electrical outlets. Very nice, cozy, comfy. The mattress is super soft. It's a gel foam mattress. There's a fan. Let's see, what else we got around here? The sun is set that direction. Hey, the mosquitoes aren't bad this time of year. Not any at all. Got the propane fire pit. So if there's a burn ban, you can use that. The Affen pincher is not included. Got the misters going on the pergola, which on a hot day, this is the place to be. It's kind of like air conditioned. Good place to hang out after spending the day at Silverwood. Got a Weber gas grill, little mosquito catcher. Here's the bathhouse with shower and flushing toilet and electrical, microwave, freezer, fridge. Everything you need to make your stay comfortable. All this is available on Airbnb, so if you get a chance, book now with us and come and enjoy some solitude in North Idaho. Hey, have a good evening.